How to clean Mailchimp audience. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the Audience section. Select the audience you want to clean by clicking on View Contacts. 2. Filter inactive subscribers by going to Manage Contacts, Segments. Create a new segment and set filters like Hasn't opened an email in the last 6 months. 3. Review the filtered list carefully. Check for contacts that never engaged with your emails or have outdated information, ensuring you don't remove valuable subscribers. 4. Archive inactive subscribers instead of deleting them. Click Select All, then go to Actions arrow Archive. Archiving removes them from your audience count, but allows you to restore them later. 5. Remove duplicates by using Mailchimp's built-in duplicate detection. If duplicate contacts exist, merge or archive them to avoid sending multiple emails to the same person. 6. Update your active contacts by sending a re-engagement email. Ask subscribers if they still want to receive emails. If they don't respond, consider archiving them. 7. Maintain a clean audience by repeating this process every few months. A clean list improves email deliverability and ensures you only send emails to engaged subscribers.